So these insights are extremely valuable because they help us to plan actions according to these insights. So what do we get from process discovery? For S/4HANA transformation, we get unique insights into current business process performance, system usage, and industry benchmarks, as I said, and we get tailor-made recommendations for S/4HANA functionalities. Yeah. Okay, and it helps us to build the case for S/4HANA, which means that it is a good starting point, a good place to start. Why should we use S/4HANA? Should we or should we not? Yeah. We are getting a deep dive into the performance of our processes with this tool. And it's even pre-configured. Nothing needs to be done instead of just installing it like with an SAP Node. And then it extracts this performance data from your system and you can display and analyze it. So what do we have? When we log in, we have a start screen in which we can see some top opportunities to improve in this example from manufacturing, and some value drivers or key performance indicators in which we are performing very good compared to the industry. In this example is far lagging behind the industry average. Yeah? So that does mean this shows you, okay, so here we have really some improvement potential. Opportunities to improve, the areas which has good performance, and then he gets also a list of processes with automation potential. It might take some time to click through everything, but it's very, very enlightening and interesting. Really, I must say. Each time I do this, then I always get so many insights. That's fascinating. Opportunities, instead of just doing anything like customer returns, which is not such a big automation potential, it is better to focus on the areas with most potential. And this is also the value of this tool. Analyze how do the users use the system actually. Yeah, very interesting. As we have seen, this tool, process discovery, it's a good starting point for you to plan out for the transformation journey, because you can relate the systems area which are used most heavily to value drivers. How can you improve the value drivers? How can you compare to your industry peers? So what are the improvement potentials? And which processes you can improve? Which suggestions you get to using S/4HANA capabilities, machine learning, and also robotic process automation and more? Which value drivers do you influence? And how does it relate to the business goals?